Hello KiraStyle Garden family. Are you tired of looking at old junk cluttering your garage while your backyard feels a little empty? Today we are turning everyday trash into absolute garden treasures. Get ready to discover incredibly easy and colorful upcycled DIY projects that will instantly breathe beautiful new life into your outdoor space. Let's get started. Have you ever looked at old silverware and wondered what to do with it? Instead of throwing those vintage forks and spoons away, you can easily transform them into charming garden wind chimes. By painting them with vibrant enamel colors and tying them to an oak branch with natural twine, you create a beautiful acoustic ornament. As the wind blows, they will gently sway and clink together, bringing a lovely melody to your bright and sunny backyard space today. Accidentally dropping a terracotta pot usually feels like a garden tragedy, but it is actually a fantastic crafting opportunity. Those shattered clay fragments can be beautifully repurposed into a shaded little dome structure for the local wildlife. By smoothing the rough edges and painting the outside with bright, vibrant outdoor acrylics, you provide a safe, cool daytime resting place for helpful garden toads. Nestled in the dirt, it adds a wonderful pop of color to your beautiful floral landscape. Finding a distressed vintage wooden stepladder hidden in your garage is like uncovering buried treasure for your backyard space. The peeling paint and weathered wood offer a rustic charm that is impossible to replicate with brand new items. When you open it up in a sunny corner, each step becomes the perfect shelf for colorful ceramic pots. Filled with lush ferns and trailing vines, this upcycled ladder instantly transforms into an incredibly beautiful, multi-tiered vertical garden display. Do not let a heavily rusted antique wheelbarrow sit forgotten in the corner of your yard when it has so much potential. That deep, oxidized metal basin creates a striking visual contrast against the vibrant, freshly planted blooming marigolds and bright summer zinnias. By filling it with rich potting soil, you create a completely mobile garden centerpiece. It is a fantastic way to showcase your bright flowers in the afternoon sun while celebrating the beauty of repurposed tools. When your children outgrow their vibrantly colored rubber gumboots, those bright boots can start a whole new life right out in the yard. By simply adding drainage holes and rich dark soil, you turn everyday footwear into eye-catching garden pathway planters. Imagine trailing green ivy and small pink flowers spilling beautifully over the tops of cherry red and canary yellow boots. This clever project brings an incredibly playful and highly practical splash of daytime color to your outdoor space. If you have a collection of vintage blue, green, and amber glass bottles, building a colorful bottle tree is an absolute must for your landscape. Carefully placing these bottles over the branches of a twisted dead tree trunk creates a magnificent garden sculpture. During the day, the smooth glass catches the bright sunlight, serving as a stunning daytime reflector that shines vividly across your lawn. It is a brilliant way to honor southern gardening traditions while recycling beautifully. An old bicycle wheel sitting in the shed can become the perfect geometric support for your favorite climbing plants. By painting the rim a vibrant coral pink and mounting it securely onto a sturdy wooden stake, you provide an excellent framework for vines. Watch as morning glories and climbing peas realistically weave their way through the intricate metal spokes. The lush green leaves and bright flowers look absolutely incredible against the metallic shine of the upcycled wheel structure. Keeping your gardening tools organized is so much easier when you use a little creative upcycling. Taking the rusty iron head of an antique rake and mounting it firmly to your garden wall creates an incredibly unique storage rack. By painting the metal tines in cheerful alternating colors, it becomes a bright focal point. You can easily hang your hand trowels, pruning shears, and colorful gloves right from the teeth, ensuring your tools are always ready for action. Preparing for a busy day of planting is a breeze when you repurpose an antique metal baking muffin tin. That slightly weathered pan can easily be transformed by hand, painting the outside with vibrant, cheerful floral patterns in hot pink and yellow. Inside the individual cups, you can beautifully sort and organize different varieties of textured plant seeds. Resting on your rustic wooden bench, this colorful tray keeps everything perfectly accessible while you work happily in the golden sunlight. Maximizing your growing area is entirely possible when you construct a vertical strawberry planter from a salvaged piece of industrial PVC pipe. This thick plastic pipe becomes a gorgeous garden tower when painted with a bright mosaic pattern using vibrant outdoor acrylics. By drilling large circular holes into the sides, you create the ideal spots for lush green leaves and bright red berries to grow. It stands sturdily in the sunshine, providing fresh fruit and incredible visual appeal. There is something deeply satisfying about finding a clever new use for an antique kitchen item. An old galvanized metal funnel makes a remarkably functional gardening twine dispenser when nailed sideways to a weathered fence post. Painting it with striking geometric patterns in bright colors brings fresh life to the oxidized metal. Just thread your rough jute twine perfectly through the spout, and you will always have a convenient, tangle-free string ready whenever your climbing plants need tying. Before you throw away that old broken dresser, consider rescuing a sturdy drawer to create a charming raised garden bed. By painting the carved wood in a soft pastel lavender and keeping the original brass handles attached, you preserve its wonderful character. Once lined and filled with dark garden soil, it becomes the perfect shallow planter for vibrant leafy radishes and young lettuce. This incredibly creative upcycling project adds a beautiful touch of rustic elegance to your yard. A discarded aluminum kitchen colander does not belong in the trash when it can become an absolutely gorgeous hanging planter. By coating the metal in a glossy, vibrant sunshine yellow and adding strong chains, you create a durable container that naturally provides excellent water drainage. When lined with organic coconut coir, it is the ideal environment for a massive, overflowing cascade of bright pink petunia flowers. It hangs beautifully, bringing brilliant color and life to your daytime porch. And there you have it. We just transformed discarded silverware, broken clay pots, and old wheelbarrows into stunning practical art for your bright and sunny yard. Repurposing materials is such a rewarding way to decorate. If you love these sustainable ideas, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden, and comment below telling me which upcycled project was your absolute favorite.